Hi guys, I'm Britt Dewey, and this is my EDL 851 Module 1 Supervision and Eval of School Personnel. So, why do I want to become a principal? My mom's actually a principal, and just growing up in her house and seeing her go to work every day, and then going into her school and seeing the culture and the environment that she created within her school is one of the biggest motivations for me to becoming a principal. She's my biggest role model, and just seeing the way she goes about her business every day is why I'm here. As far as my leadership roles, my leadership roles are very limited. I'm only a third year teacher at the moment. My first year, I was a special education teacher, so I did supervise and manage paras for my classroom and my students in my special ed class. But as far as that, it's very limited in the education field. But I have experience in sports, and um, I played football in college, so there was some leadership opportunities there, and obviously high school sports. But as far as actual education experience, very limited other than my first year as a special education teacher. Um, as far as myself being evaluated, our school does walkthroughs all the time. Our principals, we have two principals, a head principal and assistant principal, and they are frequently in our rooms walking in for 5 minutes, and they perform a just a quick walkthrough eval with their iPads. So they're just check marking all the boxes that they see the teachers performing during the lesson. So even today, it was only our second day of school today. Our new assistant principal came into the room and gave me a quick eval, and I think they're extremely beneficial, and I think that's something that I would like to incorporate when I become a building principal is just those quick walkthroughs. They're only 5 minutes long. You can come in the beginning, middle, or end of a lesson, and it just gives teachers quick feedback on what the principal saw you doing. So obviously it's going to be different every time. You know, they're going to come in different points, and you never know when they're going to come in. So it's a great way for teachers to know if they're doing things well, and then if there's anything they need to work on. And then that data is collected at the end of the year, and it's filled into charts and graphs so you can see, the things you really did well over the course of a whole year of evaluations, and then some of the things that maybe you need to work on. So I think that's extremely beneficial, and most of my evals have been extremely positive. So that's um, something I'm proud of. But there's also little things that now I know from these quick walkthroughs, some of the things I need to work on. So it's been extremely beneficial at our school. So yeah, I'm excited to get this semester rolling, and I look forward to learning from all my classmates in this class. Thank you guys.